Republicans are coming for HIPAA.
What did you say?
Welcome to part 5 of me breaking down the 920-page PDF of Project 2025, and we are talking about the Republicans' plan for women's health care, so buckle up. First, Republicans are coming for Medicare and Medicaid, which is swell, because they also want to install a pro-life task force so they can make abortions federally legal from conception. Yes, take away Americans' access to health care and then force them to give birth. Makes sense. And of course they want to change Title X from being access to basic preventative reproductive health care to instead focus on fertility awareness and holistic family planning.
No.
And they also want to remove male condoms from women's preventative service guidelines, so women can no longer have access to free condoms and have to rely on men having them. Are you starting to see the pattern?
I don't like this!
And while they do that, they also want to defund Planned Parenthood, so it will be more difficult for people to receive birth control and affordable health care. I find this section especially hilarious. They want to withdraw Medicaid funds from states that require abortion insurance. So if you live in California, Illinois, Maine, Maryland, New York, Oregon, or Washington, Republicans want to remove your access to affordable health care because they don't understand that miscarriages are treated with abortions. And speaking of miscarriage treatments, Republicans want to pass federal law to prevent providers from mailing abortion pills and also ban abortion medication altogether. So let's pause here to review. Republicans want to force the entire country to have a surgery for a miscarriage while also banning Medicaid from paying for that $15,000 D&C surgery.
No, they are evil.
And Republicans are really showing how much they care about life because they want to remove the part of the Emergency Medical Treatment and Active Labor Act where it states hospitals must stabilize the pregnant person, even if an abortion is necessary. And then they say that HHS should rescind the guidance in NCMS and state agency investigations into cases of alleged refusal to perform abortions.
How about no?
Oh, but it gets better. They want to remove HIPAA from covering women's health care. So if you have a miscarriage and are on any medications, Republicans want to be able to convict you, which is really fun because they also want to enforce the death penalty, so they can prove even more how pro-life they are.
Are you hearing this?
They also want to prohibit fetal tissue research. So to clarify, they want to prohibit research that plays a crucial role in efforts to cure some of the most devastating diseases, and would also prohibit research that helps us understand how to support healthy pregnancies, successful births, and healthy babies. And as someone who has had 2 miscarriages without any medical explanation as to why, furthering the understanding on how to support healthy pregnancies and successful births is something that is very beneficial for our future. So stay tuned for part 6, where I will talk about Republicans' plans for American families and the LGBTQ+ community.